This dog didn't just refuse to go home. He staged an Oscar-worthy performance. In front of a whole crowd, he played dead just to stay longer.
His mom tried everything: treats, kisses, even gentle pulling. Nothing worked. But secretly, he was checking if the audience was still watching.
Look at this dramatic fall. Hollywood, take notes.
He went completely limp. 0 bones. 0 cooperation.
The crowd couldn't believe what they were seeing, and the park turned into a comedy show.
Even Snacks couldn't break his act. This dog had commitment.
She didn't win, so she decided to join him.
But the moment another dog walked by, his miracle recovery began.
He's better than my ex at acting.
What happens when a golden retriever refuses to go home? He gives the whole park a performance no one will forget.